Are you tired of wearing your mask everywhere you go? When you're just trying to snack and watch TV? When you're waking up in the morning and trying to brush your teeth? When you're trying to stay hydrated and you want to drink some water? Well, I got news for you because I have the biggest innovation in the history of masks ever. Let's go. For this quick do-it-yourself project, you're going to need a few things. First, tortillas. Next, you're going to need a mask to trace around the tortillas. Then you're going to need a pen. Don't worry, the ink isn't poisonous, I think. And lastly, a pair of scissors. Oh, and some tape, because I don't have string, so we're just going to tape it on. Alright, we're going to start off by tracing your mask with the pen. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. We're going for a quick mask here. Nothing fancy, we're going to go easy with this house-made edible mask with only 11 grams of dietary fiber and only 50 calories. Just amazing. Can't get any better than that. Does your old mask only have 50 calories? I didn't think so. Alright, we got the outline as best as we could. Next up, follow your outline and cut around it. Now we're gonna add the little nose bracket to this one because the mask that we were using to trace doesn't have it. Let's just guess it's gonna go about this high. There we go. Super easy. And if you make it long enough, it'll cover your beard too, gentlemen. Alright, next we're gonna need some pieces of tape. If you have long hair, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to sacrifice a couple strands of hair for this delicious product. If you want to be stylish and eat your mask too, it comes at a cost. You might lose some hair, but hey, it's worth it. Now that we have our two pieces of tape, we are going to attach them at each end, like so. Grab your tortilla, apply tape on one side, grab the other side of the tortilla, do the same, apply some tape. There we go. And there you have it. Your edible spinach and kale wellness tortilla mask. Available at Trader Joe's. No, actually I got these at Walmart, so whatever. This tape's not cooperating. Hopefully it sticks on the mask. Alright, here we go. Time for application. Line up the little nose bracket with your nose. Tape it to your beard. And voila. You got yourself an edible mask. And if you get tired of wearing this thing, you just eat it. Easy. Ow, fuck. Seriously guys though, it's not that hard. Just wear it. Like, comment, and subscribe.